Good
classmates.
morning,
I am
classmates.
Caleb James and
Today
Barbasa.
we're gonna listen
Today we're
about
going to discuss
classifying
about
microorganisms.
classifying microorganisms.
Good morning. Microorganisms are living things that are too small to be seen by a naked eye.
Fungi are neither plants nor animals, but they have cells similar to both. They get food by decomposing organic matter through the process called absorption. Fungi reproduce through spores.
Bacteria. Bacteria is the earliest form of life on Earth. They can be found almost every natural environment, such as soil, water, and air.
Bacteria and some types of fungi are microorganisms that can be useful and harmful to other living things and the environment.